Here we have a photo that has a crooked horizon line. If I grab my crop tool, the crop tool has a straighten feature where I can just click and drag along something in the picture that's supposed to be perfectly level. Photoshop will straighten that picture for you and then crop in where you aren't losing any images, because you can see that outside will have some blanks. But Photoshop also has the ability to do content aware in its crop tool as well. And so if I stretch these out and then come up in the top here and click on content aware, when I click on the check mark, Photoshop will go to work and fill in all those blank areas with content aware fill. That's pretty amazing. One other thing that content aware can do, I'm going to turn off the content aware. Get my crop tool. I'm going to add some canvas over on this side and press return. I'm going to get my rectangular marquee, and I think I'll just grab this section of the image right here. Then if I go up into the edit menu, I have a thing called Content Aware Scale. And what that lets me do is take this image, and if I hold my shift key down, you can see that it's not just stretching it, but it's actually adding pixels in a rather intelligent way that I can scale that image out. So this is what we began with, and this is what we ended up with.